This just arrived on my doorstep. I'm genuinely super excited because Fairphone are a brand that I've reviewed before. I love what they stand for. I love their product design. I can't wait to unbox this. Fairphone 4, there it is. Taken out of the packaging, obviously recyclable. I've got a 5G contract, that's really important to me, so when I put my SIM card in here I can get full data from 5G towers in the area. That's absolutely brilliant, I love that. It's like a box of chocolates. So there you go, you're getting a sense there that changes in your hands. This is very much the ethos of the Fairphone, with minimum impact when compared to just about any other phone on the planet. As it says here, the most sustainable phone is the one that lasts. A better phone is a phone made better. Together we're changing the way products are made. This Fairphone is your device for positive change. Fair and recycled materials, there you go. Good working conditions for the people that make it. Electronic waste neutral, there's a new phrase. So you see it is possible to have tech that doesn't impinge unreasonably on the planet and our shared resources. So you can get a SIM in there and a micro SD, that's really cool. So there's obviously the opportunity to upgrade the memory. USB-C. I'm not sure if my previous Fairphone was USB-C. I did upgrade my previous Fairphone a couple of times. I upgraded the camera module, if I remember correctly. So to be clear, if you've not come across Fairphone before and you're about to see it for the first time, the headline is that you can upgrade the internal components. So you know, things like the camera, other elements that I'll tell you in a second. Oh, that's gorgeous. Tactile, sort of lovely, lovely soft rubber. That's a serious bit of camera there, isn't it? Okay, let's start this one up. Just having a guess. There we go. Oh, that's really cool, look. There's the fingerprint sensor there. That's so interesting. Extended warranty, blah, blah, blah. Thank you. And there it is, all set up. That took a matter of minutes. I didn't even put my SIM card in, I'm just running off Wi-Fi, so just bear with me on that one. But let's have a look at the camera. I think that's 48 megapixels. Let me just get his face in shot and we'll see. Just have a quick preview of that image. Okay, there it is. And if I look at the data, forget where I live, there we go. 48 megapixels, there you go. 6,000 by 800 pixels, 9.5 meg image. Great. And of course the phone, with its gorgeous gunmetal kind of titanium grey chassis, can be opened up by this slot here in a way that most other phones can't. There we go. I'm hoping this is how you do it. Otherwise I'm just ripping it apart. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go. I can use my fingers. There we go. SIM card, micro SD, like that. Okay, so there's the camera module, processor module here, I think, and this is speaker at the bottom. 12 screws in total, I think, if I remember correctly. So remember, these changes, these upgrades, 1, 2, 3, you're doing yourself. This is critically important to understand. You know, these upgrades are done by you, not some third party, and therefore the cost to you is the component, not the actual time it takes to fix it. You're not employing someone else to do it. How does that work then? There we go. Yeah, that ribbon there, look, if I just disconnect that there, that's the That's certainly the camera disconnected. I think with sound as well. They've made a single module there. Brilliant idea. It's now removed. The camera is ready to be upgraded. Not that I want to upgrade the 48 megapixel 4K video module that I have just been playing with, but let's say that it broke or there was a better alternative available within the next couple of years from Fairphone. It's as simple as that. While in this configuration, you do see actually the solid, well, I can certainly feel the weight and the solidity of this metal chassis. It really is very high quality. That's metal there. It gives the phone a little bit of girth, which I actually quite like, because I like a big phone. I don't mind a bit of weight, because then when I'm filming and doing my photography and content creation, it's quite solid in the hand. If you drop it, it's certainly going to survive. Worst case scenario, if that screen goes, you can replace it. Interestingly, there you go, 256 gigs, that's the internal memory, and there's my card, SD card that I put in earlier. The Fairphone is plugged in here. This is an external Bluetooth connected controller. Yeah, perfectly fluid. Just loving it, absolutely loving it. So there you go, that's YouTube playing right now, and as you might have guessed, this is my previous Fairphone review. There's a statement of intent. Looks to me to be relatively impact resistant. And of course you can take it from me that the sound reproduction from the external speaker, should I be in my hotel room or whatever, watching YouTube or a streaming service, is very good. In fact, I'm having to raise my voice just to get above it. So here's my original Fairphone. It's interesting to compare the two. Similar form factor, but I'd say a better build quality on the Fairphone 4. This metal chassis is a big upgrade, both in terms of feel, sort of ergonomics, and just it's more luxurious as a material, and probably stronger as well, and easier to sustain drops and so on. I loved the fact that you could kind of see inside. That's not a picture, that's actually the internals there of the original Fairphone that I reviewed a while back. That's not the case with the new one. Obviously you have to open it up to get a similar view on the internals. There you go. I can't actually remember how you do this. Probably just pull it off to you. Yeah, you just pull it off, there we go. And then, yeah, same thing actually, same design. Interesting. There we go, so that's a comparison between the two. It looks to be slightly bigger, the new Fairphone 4, but most significantly you can see that the array of camera lenses there is a massive upgrade. Similar concept though, both configurable in a modular sense, easily upgradable, and just love the concept and really happy to have the latest version and can heartily recommend it. If you want a phone that makes a real statement about your beliefs regarding sustainability, design, integrity, ethics, you can't beat this phone. You can't beat it.